It is from up here, above the Amazon rainforest, that we really become aware of the immensity of Brazil. By far the largest in South America, the fifth in the world for its surface. A country with over 200 million inhabitants, one of the most populous in the world. A country that surprises for its contrasts. Almost desert areas and highly urbanized areas where more than 80% of the population live. Megalopolises. An amazing diversity of culture, of history. A territory where 63% of its surface houses the vast Amazon rainforest, the lungs of our planet that we have the obligation to preserve. A country that is today the world's sixth largest economic power and which must continue to overcome the numerous challenges that its strong growth imposes. One of them is to allow its people to move in a quick and easy manner, so they can just go to work, meet, and get together.
Today, Brazil is a nation that has lost 100 airports in the past 10 years. This should not happen in a country that is growing. Today, we have the need for an airport infrastructure and development of the airports we already have, I mean. But it's not just that. Our industry also needs it. Large companies need to move around. And I think regional air transport is fundamental today.